guys, how's it going? Today we've got a Leslie to look at. Now, this is a S5T, a 1970 S5T to be exact. So, on your S5Ts, from 67 to 77, you had dome back power chambers. So, this is a dome back power chamber. That's what the dome backs look like. It's the round back with the cap, round cap. So, from 67 to 77, you had dome back power chambers. From 77 and on, you have your RS power chambers. From 67 and back, you had your tabbies. You had aluminum, and then the oldest were the bronze. So, on a S5T or an RS5T, you have a 25, a 31, you've got a 37, a 44, and a 55. So those are your bells on a S5T. Now, this horn actually does have the original tag, which is pretty cool. And it is back here, and it's actually a bronze tag. I will put that, put a picture up for y'all of that tag. So there's that. So anyway, hope you enjoy this one. This is my 1970 Leslie S5T.